Hello everyone, I am Paramita Sensei and I welcome you all to my Japanese language learning class. Welcome everyone once again. Today I'll be introducing you all to the Hiragana characters. So without further ado, let's dig in. Here we all can see the basic Hiragana characters here. There are 46 characters in total. The rows are E, U, A, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. These two, they are called A line and K line and so on. And A, Ka, Sa, Ta, Na, all the A's, they are called A grade. E, Ki, Shi, Chi, all these are called grades. So let's take a look at all the characters and the pronunciation. First one from top left is A. Then right next to it is E. Then U. A. O. Then the K line is Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. The S line is Sa. Shi. Su. Se. So. The she is an exception. Instead of C, it is she. Remember that. Next one is the ta line. Ta. Chi. Su. Te. To. Here there are two exceptions. The second one is chi and the third one is su. The T is kind of, teeth are touching the tongue, so su. Mostly it will come when we do certain words, then we'll understand. The next one is the na line. Na. Ni. Nu. Ne. No. Then the ha line is ha. He. Fu. He. Ho. Here there is an exception. The third one is fu. Next up we have the ma line. Ma. Ni. Mu. Me. Mo. Then next we have the Y line. Ya. You. Yo. Only 3 of them. Then we have the Ra line. Ra. Ri. Ru. Re. Ro. Then we have the Wa line. Wa. Wo. Only 2 of them. There were some characters in this line earlier, but they have become obsolete now, so I am not discussing about them. And finally, we have the sound. The character That means that last one, N I have written, that character usually comes at the end of any part of the word or after something. It can never be the beginning. For example, after name we do say politely son. So sa, the S line, the first one sa, and the last one so sun, like that. Now if we add some symbols like you are seeing, the dakten and the han dakten, han means half, then we can convert few of the symbols to some other sounds. For example, if we add the ductane to the hiragana characters on top right, then the k sound will become g sound, s sound will become z sound, t sound will become d sound, h or f sound will become b sound. And if we add the handakten, the small circle on top right, then the h or the f sounds will become p sounds. Now after adding the dakten, k has become g, ki has become gi, ku has become gu, ke has become ge, ko has become go. Then sa line, sa has become za, she has become ji, su has become zu, se has become ze, so has become zo. Then the ta line, ta has become da. Again, chi has become ji again, but mostly we will use the sa lines she, which has become ji for the G pronunciation. Then su has become zu. This is not usually used because again it's a repetitive sound. So instead we'll use the sa lines zu instead of the ta lines zu. Then we have te becoming de and to becoming do. Then the ha line, if we add dakten, then ha becomes ba, he becomes bi, fu becomes bu, he becomes be, and ho becomes bo. And in the same ha line, if we add the handakten or the small circle on top right, then ha becomes pa, he becomes pi, fu becomes pu, he becomes pe, ho becomes po. Next, we move on to the hiragana diagraphs. If you remember the ya, yu, yo from the hiragana basic table, so we'll apply the ya, yu, yo in little smaller text font to the existing hiragana characters to create more sounds. For example, with ki, if we add the ya, you would think you would read it kiya. But if you read it fast, kiya, kiya, kya, it becomes kya. Similarly, ki and yu becomes q. And ki and yo becomes kyo. In the sa line, she and ya becomes sha. She and yu becomes shu. She and yo becomes sho. You might be thinking why the ya sound is not there, but that's just how it is. It's the convention. Similarly, the line, chi and ya becomes cha. Chi and yu becomes chu. Chi and yo becomes cho. The next na line, ni and ya becomes nya. Ni and yu becomes new. Ni and yo becomes new. The ha line, he and ya becomes hya. He and you becomes hyu. He and yo becomes hyo. The ma line, ni and ya becomes mya. Ni and you becomes new. Ni and yo becomes myo. The ra line, ri and ya becomes rya. Ri and you becomes ryu. And ri and yo becomes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So, stay tuned for more videos. Minasan arigato gozaimasu. Meaning, everyone, thank you very much.